Hello student, I am Professor J.D. Gavli, KK College of Agricultural Engineering and Technology, Nasik, Department of Soil Science and Agricultural Chemistry. Today we discuss about the topic of soil profile. In this picture, let us look at the side of view, the vertical section cut through the soil to the underlying solid rocks. It shows the soil profile. It consists of different layers, likewise O horizon, then B horizon, sorry, O horizon, A horizon, B horizon, and C horizon. But in this picture, A horizon, B horizon, and C horizon are the main horizon. Okay, what is soil? It is a major part of the natural environment. It is the vital to the existence of life on the planet. It result of the processes of the gradual breakdown of the rock such as weathering and erosion. Then it made up from four constituents, likewise mineral matter, organic matter, air and water. Mineral matter composed of 45%, then 5% of organic matter and 5% of water and 25% of air. Okay, then we will discuss about the soil profile. What is meant by soil profile? The vertical section of a mature soil, generally up to the depth of 2 meter or up to the parent material, to show the different layers or horizon of the soil for study of soil in its undisturbed state. It is made up of a succession of horizontal layer or horizon which varies in thickness, structure consistency, then porosity, then acidity and composition. This is the picture of soil profile. In this picture, we will see that this is the organic matter consistence, that is leaves, some branches are there, then animal scales and bodies, mushrooms, other rooting materials are present in this layer, like it is called as O horizon. Then A horizon is called as the A horizon, that is topsoil layer. In this topsoil layer, most of the humus contents are present, like rotting organic matters from litter layer and mineral from weathering rock. Then subsoil. Subsoil layer consists of B horizon. It is a crumbling rock, sand, clay, and gravel and silt. Then last one is the parent material. In this picture, parent material, like the it consists of the sea horizon. It is the actual bedrock underlying the soil layers. Then component of the soil profile. A soil horizon makes up a distinct layer of soil. The soil profile extends from the soil surface to the parent rock material. The regolith includes all the weathered material within soil profile. The regolith has two components. First one is the soilum and second one is the regolith. We will discuss about the soilum. The soilum includes the upper horizon with the most weathered portion of the profile, surface and subsoil. layers it consists. Then O and B O and O A and B horizon are called as the solemn. Then B saprolite. The saprolite is the least weathered portion that lies directly above the solid parental bedrock. Okay, this picture shows the soil profile. Okay, this picture shows the soil profile. This is called as the soil profile. These are the three major horizons. Okay, these are the three major horizons. That is A horizon. This is the A horizon. This is the B horizon, and this is the C horizon. A is a like surface. Okay, B is a like subsoil. Okay, then C is like substratum. So these are the spatial like O horizon and R horizon. This is the bedrock. Here R O horizon consists of the organic and R is the like of bedrock. Okay. This is the picture of soil profile also. This is soil profile consists of the different layer in a horizon, that is the elevation layer and elevation layer. Elevation layer means transportation of dissolved or suspended material within the soil by the movement of water when rainfall exceeds evaporation. Okay, then second one is the elevation layer. In this elevation layer, the accumulation of dissolved or suspended soil material in one area or horizon as a result of elevation from another. Okay, we will discuss about them one by one. Horizon, O horizon. The surface horizon, that is comprised of organic material at various stages of the decomposition. It is surface layer at depth of 0 to 5 centimeter. It is a dark in color, soft in texture. It is a leaf litter, leaves, needles, twigs, moss, lichens that are not decomposing. Humus is the rich organic material of plant and animal origin in a stage of decomposition. The next one is the A horizon. A horizon is also called as a topsoil or biomental horizon. It is largely consists of minerals like sand, silt and clay. It is the topmost layer of mineral soil at depths of 5 to 10 centimeter. Some humus present darker in color than layers below. Then biomental. Most biological productive layer, earthworms, fungi and bacteria live this layer. It is the smallest and finest soil particles. Okay. Then next one is the E horizon. A horizon is the leaching layer of horizon. It is the small layer between A and B horizon. It is a depth of 10 to 15 centimeter. Then it is a light in color, mainly sand and silt. It is a poor mineral and clay content due to the leaching. The loss of water retaining plant nutrients to the water table. The soil particles larger than A horizon but smaller than B horizon. It also known as a zone of elevation. The next one is the B horizon. The subsoil horizon, it is the subsoil horizon and depth of the 10 to 13 centimeter. It rich in clay and minerals like uh, ferron, that is the iron content, and aluminum content. Then some organic material may reach here through leaching. Then the plant's roots can extend into this layer. Then it is a red brown in color due to oxides of ferron and clay content. Then it is also called as the zone of elevation. B horizon is called as the zone of elevation. The next one is the C horizon, the saprolite horizon or regolith. It is the depth of the 30 to 48 centimeter. It is made up of large rock or lumps of partially broken bedrock, least affected by weathering and have changed to the least since their origin. It devoid of organic matter due to it being so far down in the soil profile. Then R horizon. R horizon is the bed rock horizon. It depth of 48 plus centimeter. It is the deepest soil horizon in the soil profile. It is a continuous mass of bedrock. Its colors are those of the original rock of the area. Thank you.